to understand a nation, you need to listen to its folk music. Folk music was not written by composers. Folk music was written by us.
Orsi, yes, from Hungary. And her husband Alex.
We may come from a different background, speak different languages, belong to different nations, but we still have so much in common. In Kazakh folk music and Hungarian folk music, you can find many similarities.
Thank you so much for coming. It was at my invitation because I heard her in my class and I was kind of blown away. So.
When we sing folk music, our ancestors speak through us. And every song, every sound is a story. It doesn't matter if we don't speak the same language. Through music, we understand each other. Gregorian chant is the foundational form of medieval church music, which significantly contributed to the development of our church folk music tradition. The concept of the golden ratio. If we are looking for the most ancient Hungarian melodies that still carry the memory of the migration, it's worth listening to the oldest pentatonic songs of the Moldavians or the Transylvanian ones. What's the big deal of the pentatonic scale? Let's see a few most important characteristics of that. The most ancient layer of Hungarian folk music is based on pure pentatony. And tonight we are inviting you to this beautiful journey back in time. So let's all remember where we are coming from and who we really are. Start with a quote. What you know is of great value. The tradition of your ancestors, the true expression of your own soul. Cherish it. Because if you want to achieve more, this is the only foundation you can build upon.